Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add background image to particular pages in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option and select your background option. Now select Add Background and select this name option. You can type your background image name. Also click here and open your background image folder and I'll add this image and select Open. This background is opacity. I'll make it 80%. See this preview. And this is scale ratio also you can change. And select here page range option. I'll add this is page number 1 and type comma page number 3 to 4 type comma and also page number 6 and other page remain same. Now select OK and see this our background image now inserted particular or specific pages and other pages remain same. And finally select this file option, select save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.